Welcome back. Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Well, today we have two important stories. The first story is about a major political change in Western Barghazal state. Several senior government officials have decided to leave their political parties and join the Sudan People Liberation Movement, also known as the SPLM, under President Salva Kiir. In our second story later, we will discuss about families who have been forced to leave their home because of tension along the South Sudan-Uganda border. The governor of Central Equatorial State visited those families and delivered food assistance while promising to continue working toward a peaceful solution. Before we proceed, if you are new here to Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to take the channel by subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. They look at this, a major political change in Wow. Politics in South Sudan continue to change as leaders move from one political party to another. This change can affect both state government and national politics. On Saturday, in Wow Town, the capital of Western Barghazal, became the center of attention after several well-known political leaders announced that they were leaving their former parties. Three state ministers and another senior political leader officially declared that they were joining the SPLM, the ruling party led by President Salva Kiir. Their decision has attracted public attention because they are not ordinary party members. They are government officials who have held important responsibilities in the state government. Whenever leaders at this level change political parties, many people began asking questions. They want to know why the leader made such a decision, what it means for the future of the state, and whether more political change could happen in the coming week. Among those who announced their move was Valentino Akeja, who has been serving as the State Minister of Agriculture. Another official was Samuel Nicola, who has been serving as the State Minister of Information. Both of these ministers had been members of the SPLM before making the decision. They were joined by Peter Deng Matthew, the State Minister of Housing. Unlike the other two ministers, Peter Deng Matthew belonged to the National United Democratic Party, commonly known as the NUD. Another important figure who changed parties was Yasir Bola. Besides serving as members of the state parliament, he also held the position of deputy chairperson of the SPLM in Western Barghazal state. The group did not move alone. According to the announcement, they were accompanied by several supporters and other party members who also decided to leave their former political organization. Their decision marked one of the biggest political shifts since recently in the state. The leaders made their announcement during a gathering held at the SPLM office in Wow. During the event, they publicly declared that they were ending their membership in their former political parties and becoming members of the SPLM under President Salva Kiir. The ceremony was attended by Edward Achom Aporo, the chairperson of the SPLM in Western Barghazal state. The event was not simply a private meeting. Instead, it served as a public political statement showing that the leader wanted everyone to know about their decision and their new political direction. Political ceremonies like this are common in many countries whenever a leader officially joins another political party. Such events allow party officials, supporters, and the public to witness the announcement. So the question was asked, why did they leave? Okay, one question many people immediately asked was simple. Why would experienced political leaders decide to leave their former parties? During the event, the former SPLM minister explained some of the reasons behind their decision. Valentino Akwar said that he believed the SPLM no longer represented the value that originally attracted many members. According to him, the party had developed serious internal problems. He claimed that tribalism and discrimination had become a major challenge inside the organization. He also said these problems existed not only at the national level but also within the party structures in Western Barghazal state. Akwar further explained that members from his home area of Ju River County no longer felt represented inside the party. Because of this situation, he said many local members decided that it was time to live together. He described his resignation as more than a personal decision. According to him, it reflects the decision of many SPLM supporters from his country. His statement suggests that the move involved a wider group of supporters rather than only one individual. State Information Minister Samuel Nicola also spoke during the ceremony. He said that his community encouraged him to return to the SPLM. That means that he did not decide it, but he was encouraged. According to Nicola, he believed the SPLM had changed from the movement it once was. He explained that many people originally joined the party because they hoped it would address important political concerns. However, he said he now believes the organization has experienced leadership challenges and uncertainty. Nicola described his return to the SPLM as returning to a political home where he believes he belongs. He thanks those who welcome him back and express hope that he would continue serving the people through his new political affiliation. His speech focused on unity, leadership, and is believed that the SPLM offer a better future for his political work. Another minister also returned, Peter Deng Matthew, who had been serving as Minister of Housing under the National United Democratic Party, also explained why he joined the SPLM. He said he respects the historical role that the SPLM played during South Sudan's long struggle before independence. According to him, the party made important sacrifices during the country liberation movement. Because of this story, he believed the SPLM remained an important political organization in South Sudan. For that reason, he officially declared his return to the party during the ceremony. His announcement added another important name to the growing list of leaders joining the SPLM in Western Barghazal. Edward Achom Apor, who lead the SPLM in Western Barghazal state, welcomed the new move. He welcomed the new members during the ceremony. He congratulated the minister and the other political leader for joining the party. He said the SPLM was pleased to receive them and hoped they would work together to strengthen the party and serve the people of the state. His supporters attending the gathering also welcomed the new members. Political parties often celebrate when experienced leaders decide to join them because such move can increase the party influence and attract additional supporters. Political defections are not unusual in South Sudan. Over the years, many politicians have changed parties for different reasons. Some leaders say they change parties because they disagree with internal leadership. Others say they move because they believe another party offers a better opportunity to serve their communities. In some cases, political change happens after disagreement over policies, leadership, or the future direction of a political organization. Some of them change the party for greedy because if they are not given a position, that's when they decided to leave the other party. Whatever the reason may be, such decision can influence the balance of political power, especially when senior government officials are involved. The latest development in Western Barghazal have therefore attracted attention from both political observers and ordinary citizens across the country. This story may continue to develop as political parties respond and more information become available. Let's meet on the next video.